Paperbell payment plans are not just a billing feature. They're actually one of the easiest ways that you can increase your revenue, all while making it simpler for your clients to say yes to working with you. So, Paperbell is an all in one tool that handles your scheduling, your payments, your contract signing, and your client management. So, today we're going to dive a little deeper into that payments part. In a previous video, I talked about how Paperbell does not use invoices, which I think is amazing because who wants to spend all of their time sending invoices and waiting for them to get paid? So instead, you send a link to your offer that's set up within Paperbell. You send that link to your client, they click on it, and they pay with their credit card. And it's raining in California right now. I just heard a big surge on my roof of a lot of rain. So hopefully the mic is not picking that up. Okay, so here's how payment plans work with Paperbell. You can choose to either sign up with Stripe or PayPal in order to use Paperbell, but in order to offer a payment plan, you have to use Stripe. The payment plan option will not work with PayPal. The payment plan option is going to allow your client to make payments over time. So let's say you have a program, a one-on-one program that you offer for $2,500. And in order to do the payment plan, it's going to be 3 payments of $900. What you'll do is go to the pricing area of your Paperbell package, set up the payment plan indicating that it's going to be 3 payments of $900. And so then when your client goes to your package landing page, they'll click book now and they'll see the option to pay either the full amount of the $2,500 or the 3 payment amount. I wanted to go over a few payment plan frequently asked questions I've seen either over in my Facebook group community or in comments here on my YouTube channel, or that I've received from students inside of my Paperbell mini course, Booked and Automated. So the first is the client's card automatically charged for each payment? Yes, your client will be automatically charged for each payment. They do not need to resubmit their payment information or approve anything. So this is really going to eliminate a lot of admin work that came with invoicing clients before you had Paperbell and had to do everything manually. Next is, does my client receive a receipt for each payment? The answer is yes. Stripe actually does this. If you'd like to modify that, then you'll just need to check your settings inside of your Stripe account. One other thing I want to note here is that Paperbell does not hold your money. It's simply connecting to Stripe, and Stripe is the one that's handling all of the money. And the last one is, when will the first payment be charged? The first payment will be charged immediately upon checkout. So once they click that book now, choose the payment plan, that's the first day they're going to be charged. And then let's say that is the first of the month, their next payment will be charged on the first of the next month up until they've completed all of their payments. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave those below this video so I can answer them. Now, if you want my help with setting up your automated client onboarding system inside of Paperbell, then go to the link in the description of this video to get enrolled inside my Paperbell mini course called Booked and Automated. I will see you there. And in the meantime, go ahead and watch my video on why Paperbell doesn't use any invoicing in case you have questions about that. I'll see you over there. Bye.